It gives me great pleasure today to do the first robotic surgery in the South Goa. It has been exactly 20 years today since 2003 when I had started my career with Victor Hospital as a joint replacement surgeon. 20 years down in the career of joint replacement, I'm doing the robotic surgery for the first time. An excellent tool. I don't deny traditional instruments were not good. They are still good for primary cases. But in a complex primary and revision scenario, the artificial intelligence is far superior to the human brain. It gives us an extra tool to come very close to perfection. I think this is the technology of the future. Thank you.